Welcome you in Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School TV channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. Students, today's good thought is life is art, paint your dreams. I repeat, life is art, paint your dreams. So students, we will start with our math subject. Take out your saffron textbook. Be ready with your writing materials. Okay. So students, yesterday we have learned how to add by using number strip and how to add by counting forward. Okay. And vertical addition also examples we have learned yesterday. So now we will start with our new concept, that is horizontal addition. What? Horizontal addition. Okay. Pay attention here. Now what they have asked to do? See, example, add 4 and 3. Vertical addition means straight. Yesterday I have told you, in standing way, straight way we have to arrange the numbers. Now horizontal addition means in straight like this. In sleeping way we have to arrange the numbers. Okay. Now add 4 and 3. Add 4 and 3. I will take the numbers here, 4 and 3. How the steps were there for vertical addition like that? Some steps are there same for the horizontal. Now let us see the step. Step 1, arrange the numbers horizontally. That is like this. Okay. So I will write here 4 plus 3. In this way we have to arrange. Step 2, draw the same number of sticks and add. What we have to do? You have to draw the same number of sticks. See, here which number is there? 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And here 1, 2, 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. And together sticks you have to count. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So equal to 7. Got it? What we have to do? Step 1, we have to arrange the numbers horizontally and then you have to draw the sticks and together you will count and write the answer. Only the difference is that in this vertical and horizontal addition is that the numbers arranging. Okay? In vertical you will arrange like this, straight in standing way, and in horizontal you will arrange like this in sleeping way. Understood? Other things are same. That many sticks you have to draw, then together you have to count and write the answer, same procedure. Now if suppose 2-digit numbers are there, then what you will do? That many sticks, is it possible to draw? No. Then what you will do? What shortcut method you have used for vertical addition? Same we have to do. Okay. Now 12 and 6. What they have asked to add? 12 and 6. Okay. First we will write them in horizontal way. 12 plus 6 equal to. Now this 12 means no need to draw 12 sticks. What you have to do? You have to draw only 6 because this 12 number is bigger. So unnecessary, no need to draw the 12 sticks. Draw just 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Got it? Now what you have to do? You have to count after 12. 12 के बाद हमें क्या करना है? Count करना है. Forward counting करना है. देखो, add again by counting forward. Why we have not drawn the 12 sticks? Why? Because this is big number and many sticks will come. Okay. So we have done only 6 sticks and after 12 we have started counting. So after 12 what comes? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 is your answer. Okay. आपको confusion हो रहा होगा कि टीचर यहाँ पे तो 12 है, तो 12 स्टिक्स कहाँ पे है? नहीं, 12 स्टिक्स से बहुत लंबे, बहुत बड़े होते हैं, इसीलिए जब भी 2 डिजिट नंबर आता है तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं, क्विकली एडिशन करने के लिए, जल्दी आंसर निकालने के लिए सिर्फ जो सेकंड वाला जो नंबर होता है उतने ही स्टिक्स ड्रॉ करो और जो फर्स्ट वाला नंबर है उसके बाद में काउंटिंग चालू करो. ओके, गॉट इट? इन दिस वे वी हैव टू डू द हॉरिजॉन्टल एडिशन. One more example I will show you. It's 5 and 2. Okay? फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है, हॉरिजॉन्टल वे में उसको अरेंज करना है. 5 plus 2. Okay? Now this 5 is small number, so that many sticks we can draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and next is 2. So 2. Now together you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 is your answer. Got it? Now for the 2 digit numbers 15 and 4. What? 15 and 4. Now 15 is bigger number, that many sticks we can't do. So first arrange them in horizontal way and see the next number 4. 4 we can easily draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we have to do? Count after 15. 15 के बाद count करना है 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 is your answer. Got it everyone? समझ में आया? Okay, so in this way we will solve the sums. Turn the page. Turn the page everyone. Okay, my practice time 3. Got this page? Okay, now what they have asked to do, add the following numbers vertically. Vertically already they have arranged. So what you have to do, you have to just draw the sticks and add. Okay, now here 3 plus 5. What is that? 3 plus 5. Okay, 3 is small and 5 is also small. So that many sticks you can draw. So first draw here 1, 2, 3 sticks and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, first pay attention, don't write anything, afterwards I will give you time to write. Together now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is your answer. Got it? One more. 4. 4 sticks we can draw. Here 1. Count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay? Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. Okay? Got it? Now here above 6 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1. So 6, after 6 comes 7. 7 is your answer. Okay? Write this in your textbook. See properly you have to do. You have to draw the sticks very small. Don't make it too big. छोटे छोटे लाइंस ड्रॉ करो, ज्यादा भी बड़े बड़े नहीं करना है. Do it fast, dear students. Finish. Three plus 5 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 1 9. 6 plus 1 7. Do it fast. Done? Okay. Now, next. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. Okay. 2 and here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Together you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. In this way we have to do the vertical addition. So, further this F, G and H, these three sums you have to solve by your own afterwards. Okay. Next, question 2. Add the following numbers horizontally. Okay. Already they have arranged. Only we have to draw the sticks and write the answer. Okay. Come on. First one, 5 plus 3. So, draw your 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and below 3 only you have to draw 3 sticks. Got it? Now 5 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write answer here. Got it? Come on, write. Got it? Next, now here 8 and 2 is there. Sorry, 8 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and below 2. Got it? Count in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write here 10. Okay. Now here 1. So only 1 and here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Together you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6. Okay. Come on. Write this. Do it fast, children. Come on, do it fast. Done? Quickly you have to do. Finish? Okay. So, 8 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 7 plus 2. These all three you have to do it afterwards. Okay? Understood? You have to draw the sticks and just add together. Finish? Now, next concept. Now students, till now we were going by adding only 2 numbers. अभी तक हमने ये लर्न किया कि 2 numbers कैसे add करना है. Okay? तो if suppose there will be 3 numbers, then how you will add? अगर वहाँ पे 3 numbers हो तो कैसे add करना है? It's very simple. Okay, whatever 2 numbers are there first, that you will add, and in answer you will add the third number. Got it? So stepwise we will see how to do adding 3 one-digit numbers. Okay, 3 one-digit numbers. Is it one digit na? This 4 is 1 digit, 3 is also, and 1 is also. All these 3 are 1 digit numbers. So adding 3 1 digit numbers, adding horizontally in sleeping way. Okay. Now so they have given 4, 3 plus 1. 3 numbers are there. Okay. 4 and 3 and 1. Wait. 4, 3 and 1. Okay. Now, when there were 2 numbers, directly we were solving. Now here 3 numbers are there. Okay. When 2 numbers were there, directly we were used to solve. Now here 3 numbers are there. अभी यहाँ पे 3 नंबर है, तो इसके एडिशन कैसे करेंगे? देखो, फर्स्ट arrange them in horizontal way. Okay, arrange them in horizontal way. Now what we have to do, students? See, listen carefully. जो पहले के जो दो नंबर्स होते हैं ना, पहले के जो 2 नंबर्स होते हैं उसको ऐड करना है पहले. ओके. नाउ 4 प्लस 3, हाउ मच? 4 plus 3 you can do on your fingers also. Remove your 4 fingers, take your 4 fingers, add 3, together you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I got here 7. Understood? अभी ये 2 numbers ऐड किए. अभी ये साइन वापस से ये कॉपी करो. फिर अभी कौन सा नंबर बचा है? 1. You can do now. 7 plus 1 is 8. Understood? See, addition you can do on your fingers also by counting and by drawing sticks also. Understood? If bigger number is there, then you can do by drawing sticks. If small number is there, then you can do on your fingers also. Got it? समझ में आया? क्या करना है? पहले जो 2 नंबर होते हैं उसको ऐड करना है, फिर उसमें से जो आंसर हमें मिलता है उसमें लास्ट वाला नंबर ऐड करना है. ओके. सी, हियर दे हैव शोन यू. कैन यू सी अ balls? 4 balls? Yes. And then 3 balls and then 1 ball. So what they have done first? 4 plus 3. पहले जो 2 नंबर है उसको ऐड किया, तो आंसर क्या मिला? 7. फिर इसको ऐड किया, 3 plus 1. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Anyhow you can do. Here we have added numbers in 2 different orders, but it did not change the answer. Now let us see how we can add 3 numbers vertically. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे 3, 4, 1. पहले हम लोगों ने क्या किया? ये दोनों को ऐड किया, फिर ये लास्ट वाला नंबर उसमें ऐड किया, तो हमें आंसर क्या मिला? 8. हाँ, अभी और एक मेथड है, 4 plus 3 plus 1. ओके. ये 4 और 3 क्या किया हमने? पहले ऐड किया. ओके. अभी क्या करना है हमें? ये जो दूसरे वाला नंबर है ना, ये दोनों ऐड करना है. चलो अभी हम देखते हैं आंसर सेम आता है या अलग आता है. सो 4 एज इट इज प्लस 3 plus 1 4. सो 4 plus 4 8. सेम ही आया है ना. पहले वाले 2 नंबर लो या फिर लास्ट वाले 2 नंबर लो और फिर जो नंबर बचा है वो ऐड करो. दोनों भी मेथड से किया तो भी आपको सेम ही आंसर मिलेगा. बट आई थिंक सो दिस फर्स्ट वन इज easy, means it's easy to remember and it is step wise. Okay, understood? अभी ये horizontal हो गया, अभी हम vertical देखेंगे. See you on the next page. Can you see? Okay, so adding vertically. Here also steps are there. See, 4, 3 and 1. 4, 3, 1. 3 numbers. What is the step 1? Add 3, 4 and 3 by counting forward and write the answer 7 in the circle. Again by counting forward, add 7 and 1 and write the answer. देखो vertically first arrange करो इसको 3, 1. Okay, and here I will give plus. Understood? Just a minute. Okay, so 4 plus 3 plus 1. तो अभी ऐसे अरेंज किया है उन्होंने, तो क्या करना है हमें? सेम, जो पहले के जो 2 नंबर है उसको ऐड करो. 4 plus 3 7. ओके, फिर अभी ये जो बचा हुआ नंबर है उसमें ऐड कर दो 8. Got it? One more I will show you. वर्टिकली अरेंज करो 2, 3, 4 प्लस सेम स्टेप, पहले 2 ऐड करो 2 and 3. हाउ मच? 2 plus 3. Take out your 2 fingers. Take 3 fingers now. Together you count 5. Okay, so you got here 5. Now which number is remaining? 4. And here 5 you got. So count after 5. 5 के बाद काउंट करना है. 4 क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे नीचे 4 है इसलिए, और यहाँ पे 5 के बाद काउंट करना है. कम ऑन, काउंट 5. 4 fingers 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Got it? सिर्फ यहाँ पे नंबर्स का जो अरेंजमेंट होता है ना वो अलग है, हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल. बाकी सब स्टेप्स जो है वो सेम है. अगर 3 नंबर्स का एडिशन करना हो तो पहले 2 नंबर्स जो होते हैं उसको ऐड करो और फिर उसमें जो आंसर मिलता है वो लास्ट वाला नंबर उसमें ऐड करो. ओके, वेदर इट इज वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल. Now my practice time. Take pencil. We will start. Draw the balls and find the sum. What we have to do? How many means the number they have given, that many balls you have to draw and you have to write the answer. Okay? Now here 6 are there, so 6 you have to draw. Draw little small. 6. Okay, next 2, so plus 1. Together how much? Find the sum. Together how much? Yes, 6 balls plus 2, 7, 8 and 8 plus 1, 9. So you got here 9. So 9 you will write. This you will write here above, not here, down. Do it fast. Done. Next 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 plus 2. Come on, count it. First 3 balls, then 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Right. Finish it fast. Finish. Done? Okay. So in this way you can add. So here also below C and D. Same you have to draw the balls. First 2, then 5 and then 1. And here below 4, 1 and 1. Okay. These 2 you have to do by your own. Turn the page. Try to solve this afterwards. Okay. You can take your parents' help. Now next, add vertically. Done? First, come on, do it fast. Shall I show you here one? Yes? Okay, one more I will show you. See, 2 plus 5 plus 1. See, numbers also you can write. If you want, you can write the numbers, or else directly also you can do. Okay, now this 5 and 7 becomes what? 5 plus 2 becomes 7 and then plus 1. Here 1 is there na? So 1. It becomes 8. So your answer is 8. If you want to write the numbers, you can write. Otherwise, it's okay. You can draw the balls only. Turn the page. Vertically, same steps. Add 2 numbers first. 3 plus 1. Come on, do it quickly. 3 plus 1. How much? 4. Write here 4. Now here 4 is there and here 2. So count after 4. 2 fingers. Okay? 5, 6. So your answer is 6. Next. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 6. Here 6 is there and here 3. So count after 6. 3 fingers. 7, 8, 9. Next. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Total 8. 8 plus 1. 9. 2 plus 3. 5. 5 plus 2. 7. Okay? Right. Write fast. 3 plus 1 plus 2. 6. 5 plus 1 plus 3. 9. 6 plus 2 plus 1. 9. 2 plus 3 plus 2, 7. Do it fast. Write that numbers properly in the circle. Got it? Okay. So remaining sums you can do by your own. वो जो remaining 4 problems है वो आपको अपने पीरियड खत्म होने के बाद सॉल्व करना है. So students, today we have learned in our period how to add horizontally and vertically, and new concept, that is how to add 3 numbers. Okay, all steps I have shown you have to add. Hope all you have understood. Thank you.